Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Guys, please remember to leave your girl a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now, your juice guru, as they call me, coming back with another recipe for you. Alright, so today we're gonna make an amazing antioxidant super immune booster smoothie. It's gonna, well, our juice. All right, you can drink it as is or you can strain it. And we're gonna do beetroot, celery, 1 apple, and some ginger and lemon. No sweetness. All right, we're gonna get the sweetness from the apple and the beetroot. All right, let's get into this video. This is packed with antioxidant, gonna lower blood pressure, lower cholesterol level, good heart health, gonna clean and build your immune system. All right, guys, packed with iron, super healthy. Okay, let's get into it. So we're gonna blend everything. We have 3 stalks of celery, whoopsie, 1 apple and some sliced ginger. We're gonna blend everything all at once, and we have 1 big large beetroot. See it red, guys? Red. All right, we're gonna squeeze some, about a tablespoon of lemon juice. It's good for detox and weight loss as well. All right, guys. This it's the same ginger, right? So I make the ginger in the juice and you have the regular, so you can put either or. That's for a different recipe. And we're gonna put about 1.5 cups of water. Let's go for 2 cups, and that's it. Nothing else to it, guys. We're just gonna blend away. And we're gonna blend. And that's it, guys. All right. And I'm gonna strain mine. All right, if you can take it, you can drink yours as is, but I'm gonna strain mine. But you can drink it as is, guys. It's up to you. Okay. See that goodness, guys? Beetroot is good for your blood, packed with lots of iron, vitamins. Good heart health. All right, we're gonna finish juice this out, come back and serve it up. That's it. That's how quick it is. All right, guys, look at the goodness. We're gonna pour some in. You don't have to put the ice. I'm just gonna put 1 cube each. We're gonna pour. And there you have it. Oh, mama mia, and we have some leaf. Guys, I don't have to say anything else. It's gonna be delicious and amazing, super healthy. All right, guys, this video gonna be quick and fast. So love upon me and I love upon you, and more juice recipe coming for you guys. All right, and if you know a video you want me to do, guys, leave it in the comment section. All right, guys, just tell me what you want and I'll try to make it. Right, guys. Oh wait, I have to taste it. All right, let's taste it, guys. Whoa, it looks so good. Need no sugar, guys. That's enough. Love upon me and I love upon you. So refreshing. Bye, guys. I'll see you later. Remember to smile. Remember to pray. All right, never give up. Bye, guys.